Wyoming is one of the most beautiful places on Earth. But this place can get cold. Really cold. But that doesn't stop the fun. And that's why I use Body Furnace. It's a mobile, electronic heating device that keeps your entire body warm. It keeps my mind off the cold and on the journey ahead, no matter how big it may be. Whether I'm skiing, snowmobiling, or just watching the wildlife, Body Furnace makes cold weather easy. And the mobile app lets me control the temperature without even taking off my gear. Wyoming tested, Wyoming approved.